Welcome back to Quest for Quiz, the preliminary round of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2019, where the correct scores are Warsap Primary on 6 points, Emmanuel Christian Academy on 5 points. Warsap actually got a point for the name of the place where the bees are kept. Hive is correct. Time now for the Junior Challenge Face-Off. In this section, individual team members face off in the categories of math, science, social studies, and English language. First face-off is in mathematics. It's between Jaden Bailey of Warsap Primary up against Ethan Brown of Emmanuel Christian Academy. Jaden, we begin with you. What's the lowest common multiple of 14 and 3?
12.
Incorrect, and time was up, so the question passes. Ethan?
42.
42 is correct. Jaden, what is the name given to lines that are the same distance apart and which never meet?
Parallel.
That's correct. Jaden, if 8 children are each given $3.25 to spend, what's the total sum of money they have altogether? Time's up. Ethan?
$26.
That is correct. Jaden, how many prime numbers are between 0 and 15?
4.
That's incorrect. Ethan, want to try?
6.
6 is correct. Jaden, what's the value of the Roman numerals D, L, V, I? 'Time's up. Ethan, want to try?
608.
That's incorrect. It's 558. Ethan, we're now over to you. What's the lowest common multiple of 12 and 16?
48.
That's right. What's the name given to lines that cross each other at right angles?
Perpendicular.
That's right. If $324 is to be shared equally among 6 children, how much money would each receive?
$54.
That's right. How many prime numbers are between 15 and 30?
4.
That's correct. What's the value of the Roman numerals D, L, X, I?
563.
5 of 5, Ethan. That is correct. Time now for Face Off 2. It's in the category of science, and it's between Brianna Smith of Warsap Primary. Brianna goes up against Josiah Scott of Emmanuel Christian Academy. Brianna, we begin with you. Name one of the 2 waste products that are excreted from the lungs. Question passes to Josiah?
No, thank you.
It's carbon dioxide and water vapor. Brianna, what kind of teeth do babies have? Josiah?
Baby teeth.
That's incorrect. It's primary teeth, temporary teeth, or milk teeth. Brianna, do bats belong to reptiles, mammals, or amphibians?
Mama.
That's correct. What do you call molten rock inside a volcano before it has erupted?
Igneous rocks. Igneous rocks.
That's incorrect. Josiah, want to try?
Malt.
That's also incorrect. Right, Judge? That's the correct answer is magma. Brianna, during inhalation, what happens to the diaphragm?
It expands.
That's incorrect, Josiah.
No, thank you.
It flattens or it contracts. Josiah, we're now over to you. Name one of the 3 waste products that are excreted from the kidneys.
Pass.
Pass to Brianna. Want to try?
No, thank you.
It's any one of urea, water, or salts. Josiah, what are the last 4 teeth a person will get?
Molars.
That's incorrect. Brianna?
Wisdom teeth.
That is correct. Wisdom teeth is right. Josiah, do butterflies belong to amphibians, insects, or reptiles?
Insects.
That's correct. What do you call molten rock that flows out after a volcano has erupted?
Lava.
That's right. During exhalation, what happens to the ribs?
No, thank you. Pass.
Question passes to Brianna. Want to try? No? Okay. They move downwards and inwards. And that brings us now to face-off number 3. It's in the category of English language. It's between Sharika Dixon of Warsap Primary. Sharika is up against Nessia Chambers of Emmanuel Christian Academy. Sharika, spell identity.
IDENTITY.
That's correct. Sharika, what's meant by the expression a dime a dozen?
Not playing with a full hand. Not playing with a full hand.
That's incorrect, Nessia.
No, thank you.
It's something common, plentiful, or of little value. Sharika, give a 5-letter word starting with H, which is a synonym for the word joyful.
Happy.
That's correct. What's the collective noun for a group of birds?
Flock.
Say again?
Flock.
Flock is correct. Sharika, complete the analogy. Teacher is to school as doctor is to
Hospital.
or clinic. That is correct. Nessia, we're now over to you. Spell happiness.
Happiness. HAPPINESS.
That's correct. What's meant by the expression to get out of hand?
Out of control.
That's right. Give a 5-letter word starting with C, which is a synonym for the word hide. Time's up. Sharika, want to try?
No, miss.
It's cover. Nessia, what's the collective noun for a group of caterpillars?
No, thank you.
Question passes to Sharika.
No, miss.
They're an army. Nessia, complete the analogy. Book is to read as television is to
Watch.
or view. That is correct. Taking us now to our final face-off. It is in the category of social studies, and it's between Kareem Gordon of Warsap Primary. Kareem is up against Alex Martin of Emmanuel Christian Academy. Kareem, what's the capital of Chile?
Helsinki.
That's incorrect. Alex, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Santiago. Kareem, how many parishes are in Barbados?
12.
That's incorrect. Alex?
No, thank you.
It's 11. Kareem, which Caribbean country's motto is each endeavoring, all achieving?
Pass.
Alex, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Antigua and Barbuda. Kareem, what are the colors of the Haitian flag?
Red, blue, and green.
That's incorrect. Alex, want to try?
Yes, please.
Go ahead.
Red, white, and blue.
That's also incorrect. It's just red and blue. Kareem, in what direction is Jamaica from Cuba?
South.
That is correct. Alex, we're now over to you. What's the capital of Colombia?
No, thank you.
Kareem, want to try?
No, miss.
It's Bogota. Alex, how many parishes are in Grenada?
15.
That's incorrect. Kareem?
No, miss.
It's 6. Alex, which Caribbean country's motto is one people, one nation, one destiny?
St. Lucia.
That's incorrect. Kareem, want to try?
No, miss.
It's Guyana. Alex, what are the colors of the St. Lucian flag?
No, thank you.
Kareem, want to try?
No, miss.
It's blue, black, yellow, or gold, and white. Alex, in what direction is Jamaica from Hispaniola?
East.
That's incorrect. Kareem, would you like to try?
Yes, miss. Southwest.
That's incorrect. West is the answer we were looking for. And that brings us to the end of our final face-off and the end of section 2.
Emmanuel Christian Academy is ahead on 14 points at the end of round 2, while Warsap Primary follows with 13 points.
Stay with us. The final challenge is up next.